How to get Google search bar back on Android screen. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to tap on the blank screen of your home screen. At the bottom, you will find the widget. Simply tap on widgets option and the widgets section will appear. You simply need to scroll down. Now look for Google. And here you can easily get the Google search bar. Simply you need to tap on 4 by 1 Google and the Google search bar has already appeared on your screen. You can simply long press on it and adjust it anywhere on your home screen. And with that, you can tap on done button at top right once you are done with that. And you have successfully get Google search bar back on Android screen. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.